Hi everybody, this is Diana from SyS y Salado, and today we're going to make another basic recipe, and that's how to make pastry cream, which is used for making all kinds of different desserts, including the Napoleon pastry covered with dulce de leche that we love so much in Colombia. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. So first we're going to heat up our milk. We're going to add whole milk to a medium saucepan, and we're also going to add white granulated sugar. We're going to give this a stir, and then we're going to heat it up over medium heat. We're only going to let it simmer a little bit. We're not going to let it boil. In the meantime, we're going to mix a little bit of cornstarch, white sugar, and a pinch of salt. And then in a separate container, we're going to beat a couple of egg yolks and one whole egg. To this egg mixture, what we're going to do is add the cornstarch, and we're going to give it a really good mix. And right before the milk comes to a boil, what we're going to do is remove it from the heat, and then we're going to add it very slowly to our egg mixture while we keep mixing. And it's very important that we don't stop mixing as we add the milk, because this is going to help us avoid cooking the eggs. Once everything's well mixed, what we're going to do is place it back in the saucepan where we heated up the milk, and we're going to heat this up over medium heat while we keep stirring until it comes to a boil. Once it's boiling, it means that the cornstarch has been activated and our pastry cream is going to be nice and thick. Once it's boiling, we're going to remove it from the heat, and then we're going to pour it into a heat-resistant container. And at this point, if you want, you can pass it through a strainer in case you see any lumps that you may have. Now what we're going to do is add unsalted butter and then your favorite extract. Usually you add vanilla extract, but you can use any kind of extract, including cocoa powder and peanut butter, to give it a different flavor. We're going to give it a final stir, and then this is what our pastry cream looks like, really nice and thick. And now what we're going to do is cover it with plastic wrap. I use 2 pieces of plastic wrap. The first piece I press firmly on top of the pastry cream just to avoid that skin from forming, and then I cover it completely with another piece of plastic wrap. And then once everything's covered, we're just going to place it in the fridge until it's time to use it. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.